Welcome back, guys. CryptoFolite channel. Today we'd like to talk about a Matic Polygon. Now it's a new ticker POL X Matic. So I recommend you guys follow this channel and join free Telegram channel for more updates. All content always will be for free. Guys, like you know, on CryptoRank you can read if you missed it, the Matic now upgraded and changed the ticker name to the POL. And you know, the problem is when some token migrate or change the ticker name, the people look on the charts like this one. And let me show you POL USDT, for example, and they look like, wow, just a brand new token. We have to skyrocket to the moon, right? Because here was a like all-time high $1. Now we trade at 22. We get a big potential and all of this stuff. But guys, it's a trap. You can find the oldest chart, and this is how it looks like. So capitalization supply. I mean, Matic around 9 billion in circular supply. So $1, almost 9 billion market cap. So is it possible basically for the project like Matic is real targets? But I remind you, the early investors, even on centralized exchanges, accumulate if they still hold, you know, the Matic at 1 cent. Now we trade at 22 cents. And at the top, it was around 3. I can't say, do I believe in new all-time high for POL or not? It's possible. Yes, it's possible. The Matic show us some big partnership, big updates, big upgrades, and all of this stuff, you know. But for me, all of this moves is just a part of the simple marketing campaign of any single token. We see this moves every single year. They talk about adoption. They talk about some crazy utility, the partnership, and we should skyrocket to the moon. And it's a future. It's a future. But guys, after that, never happened. And after, when the liquidity will start inflow from the BTC into else, you know, just simple liquidity flow, rotation, right? The tokens pumps, and the team came to the people and say, oh, take a look, we work hard. That's a result. It's not a result of your hard work, guys. It's a result of the liquidity inflow and outflow from the BTC. The liquidity just inflow into tokens or outflow. So here was a inflow liquidity, put the price to the top, and outflow. Pretty simple, guys. Take a look at the data. You know, we're gonna count the potential of the Matic. So take a look. The conservative price target, I'm more than sure, we're going to hit the $1.68. So this conservative price target, maybe it's going to be the top of the top for this run, because not all tokens perform like this one. Many tokens perform like this one and go into the new bear market. So just in case, guys. Now we are inside 27 block. Around here, I mark, I don't understand how the Matic traded here at in February 23 over than $1. Everybody waiting something like this V-shaped recover move, but I marked that 27 block. Here we are in this block. So we test almost 50% of this block. It was like 15 cents. Now we traded the monthly open. The first and the good moment, guys, we trade on the fundamental value. If you believe in Matic, and now it's still okay, accumulate Matic, you know, base it on the technical side. So 100%. It's okay, because on the fundamental value, we're inside 27 block before the BTC dominance start, drop it down, right? So the money will inflow into alts. Yearly open first trouble area, 45 cents. So it's like 100% profit from this current prices, right? And it's more than okay. After that, take profit line will be 73 cents, 59 at this current moment on the weekly time frame. Break of structure, 77.35. So I showed you all targets, you know, with the clear levels, you know, the logic. Trouble area, correction. Break of structure, maybe even $1.12. Correction. Break the structure, start build the uptrend move. Here, liquidity pool sweep, correction, maybe new all-time high. If you believe in it, it can be $4, and so, or maybe we'll stop here. So conservative middle term targets, guys. Let's say let's say $2, $1.68, $1.93. because here's a circular supply. What is good moment? 85% tokens in circular supply. Highest point of the market capitalization. Take a look when the more tokens added into circular supply, you know how it looks like. So here's a top of the top was 5 billion, almost 6, but it's hard to say because I guess there is no full data. Maybe it is full data, but so at $1.68, it's will be the 15 billion market cap. So $1.93, 17 billion market capitalization. It's possible. Yes, it's not some magic numbers. It's possible because many projects fundamentally, like Matic, like Uniswap, for example, the PancakeSwap hit the also this type of capitalization. But if you believe in $4, it's 35 billion market cap. So it's kind of big differences. So imagine the highest point, like at this current data on crypto ranking, coin market cap, it's 6 billion. And around here, it's going to be 35 billion. But if you believe in new all-time high, yes, of course, you can accumulate now and wait to the target. From this current price, it's at the $4.05. It will be 1,700%. Conservative price targets 668. That's why, yes, I think around 1K. I think it's possible to see, for example, this move, and it can be the top of the top for this run for Matic. If you believe in more, it's 2,500. So just up to you guys. For example, the plan. First, we have to sweep, test the yearly open, break of structure, take profit, exit line. After that, the reward should be open to $1.68. And that time, we have to pay attention for the macro in the world, for the cycles time, for what's going on with the BTC and what's going on with the BTC dominance. For example, if this time the BTC dominance will be on the 55%, 50%, and go into 45, this can be the end of cycle for alts. So just in case. So we have to work in a complex, right? So we build a logic when to in, when to out. Now it's okay time, use DCA or accumulate Matic if you believe in Polygon. So I don't think so, you know, like let's say 2023 was a top of the top of this token $1.56. After that $1.29, it's top of the top. No, we build the liquidity 1, 2, 3 drops, should recover back, break the structure and going higher to close all of these liquidity pools. So that's the point, guys. Daily, I want to show you daily, we're more than accumulate back. Matic, if let's hold the FIB lock here, the buy line would be good to see the test. It's 14 cents 5 for the mail value. It's 10 cents 91. I don't think so we're gonna drop that low, but at least 15.42 it can be the test of the buy line on the 12 time frame. We already retested the buy line here. Here was a pure retest. This is how you can trade it, by the way, the swings. And here's a take profit, 85%. Easily, you could grab with that trade. So this is take profit. Let me show you. Trade on a daily. Yes, it was the signals to buy, sell. Globally, sell. Still no take profit indicator, guys. Let's add alert to the take profit. So take profit from this sell. So I wish to see one more sweep, take profit and go higher. It's about a trade on money power. What is good, what is bad? Here was the last money inflow. Here's the money outflow. Now MACD bullish divergency. This one was in April. Now nothing. We stay in the middle line. Good moments here. Money inflow was here 35 cents and 30 cents. So we can say if we will see soon again the money inflow, it will be the confirmation. So 100%, for example, at $1, we will see some money outflow. So now it's definitely not a money outflow like it was here, almost at the all-time high. So it means it's not a time to out at all from Matic. We're in capitulation zone since February. It's good. We've never been here. Finally, we're here. For me, it's kind of risky to buy this token, but any token is risky. This local zones. This is this belief zone. Now also, guys, technically, it's still good zone to accumulate Matic. Whales accumulate. Whales accumulate aggressively is good one. So soon we will see the pump, I guess, 2 at least yearly open. We need some driver, we need some marketing campaign again for this token. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment, what do you think about the Matic? Do you believe in new all-time high or not? If you'd like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.